this workshop has been concluded. I want to thank God and appreciate the Vice Chancellor of this great institution, Professor Itope Ogunbodede, for making it possible for us to be able to arrange for this workshop. I also want to appreciate Professor Mrs. Aladejana for holding forth as the chairperson of Tetfund in ensuring that this workshop came to be. I also want to appreciate all the facilitators that had actually contributed for their time, energy, and support at all times in ensuring that the university moves forward. The workshop is actually going to continue in some other ways, but for what we have learned today, it will be needful for us to put them into practice and to take all that we have learned back home to ensure that those that are in our various units and departments also have the opportunity of knowing what we have learned. And we should, from now, desist from individual proposal writing, okay? Move on to collectively, as a teamwork. And that actually builds up the department, builds up the faculty, and builds up the entire system. So we'll be working together. Since most of what we do, when done in an integrated form, will bring out huge results that we'll all be able to appreciate what is going on for. Now, the take-home is that there are so many things that are coming up on board, based on the vision of the Vice Chancellor. And I would just appreciate if everyone that is here keys in into most of these programs so that we'll be able to move forward together. Thank you very much.